What is your name? Vyas. Vyas, please put questions to Soumya.
Yes, sir. Tell me about what is balance of payment.
Super question. Come on, starting itself. Pat. Bolo, bolo.
Sir, balance of payment is a situation in which the export is equal to the import which we do. If this situation match, then it is a balance of payment.
Not so correct. Not so correct. You know, balance of payment means 1 minute. Let me search. Balance of payments. Balance of payment is the method by which countries measure all of the international monetary transactions within a certain period. In this year, how much India has exported, how much India has imported. If the import is more, the difference is negative balance of payment. Balance of payment consists of three main accounts: the current account, the capital account, the financial account. What is an example of balance of payment? When funds go into a country, a credit is added to the balance of payment. When funds leave the country, a deduction is made. For example, when a country exports 20 shiny red convertibles to another country, a credit is made in the whatever it is. Okay. What are the four?
It is a difference between export and import.
No, but I objected because you started telling balance of payment means export
Situation.
and import balancing. You said like that, balancing.
Yes, sir.
That is a mistake.
No, sir, it is different.
It can be negative, it can be positive also. Samajh gaya?
Yes.
Soumya, good.
Yes,
Now, Vyas, next question. Next question.
What is trade deficit?
What is?
Trade deficit.
So a trade deficit is a situation in which the trade means the import of a country exceeds its export. Means
good. Sufficient.
Trade deficit represent a out.
Sufficient. आप थोड़ा कम बोलना है, ज्यादा बोलने से तो आप मिस्टेक में जाएंगे. पक्का पॉइंट बोल दो. Sufficient. Next question, Vyas.
What is income tax return in about the income tax? Tell me about ITR.
What is ITR? Income tax return. Maybe she is not familiar with that.
Sir, ITR refers to.
Tell me, if you know, you tell.
No, sir, I know about it. Little bit I know, sir.
Tell.
Sir, income tax, sir, when any person earns, then he has to give certain tax to the government. It is a type of direct tax which is levied on the person by the government, and this is transferred to the government account directly. So it is a type of direct tax, and there are different type of slabs in which people comes under.
No. But the answer is not that. Just a minute. I will come to it.
You pay tax for your income. So that is a tax.
Now, 15 నిమిషం గెచ్చుకుంటాను. 15 నిమిషం గెచ్చు. Yeah. What is your name? Soumya. ITR is income tax return. He is asking about there are different income tax returns for, say, salaried people, business people, so many things. But what the general answer for this can be, ITR is income tax return to be filed by income tax assessees every year before 31st of July, wherein the details of the 31st of July. 31st of July, but this is for normal people like us. But for companies which have to submit audited returns, for them the time is up to 31st October or so, or 30th September. I'm not sure about that. For us, I know it is 31st July. So before that, we have to file this return. Nowadays, it can be filed online itself.
No, sir, what is ITR, sir? Like, can you little give an elaboration on that?
Yeah. income tax return. India, ITR. ITRs or e-filing, that is electronic filing, ITR services. Using this, we can file our income tax online. See, if you may laugh at me, if you remind me of the year 1980s, 90s and all that, in those days, I have to take leave from my office, go and stand in the queue in income tax office. 200 people will be standing there. Then I have to go and file the return. I have to get a copy from him, come back. Now all those things gone. Everything you can file online itself. So income tax return status, this is the thing.
You don't see in this website, sir. You just Google in other website. This is a government website.
No,
There won't be much data.
This is the government website, but no. ITR is income tax returns to be filed by income tax assessees every year. And nowadays it can be done online and you will get acknowledgement immediately. Now it is being processed by Infosys. It is being processed by Infosys. And nowadays the processing is done very quickly and more or less within 1 month you get the return. You can know the status of your ITR also. If you have filed an income tax return, you are given an acknowledgement number. If you give that acknowledgement number and mobile number, it will tell you what is your status. That's what it. For your question, this is the answer. If you have
Yes, sir.
something else in mind, you can ask. Tell us.
No, sir. No, sir.
The
Okay.
next question.
So, what is cryptocurrency?
Oh, yo, Baba, you are asking very tough questions. Ask. Come on. Soumya.
Just online question only, sir. I'm asking.
Yeah.
Sir, cryptocurrency is a type of currency, sir, which is not a type of legal tender, means it is not managed by anyone. And sir, example of cryptocurrencies are like Bitcoin and this, yes, sir. This much I know about cryptocurrencies. Sir.
Okay.
Because only that much I have also told them. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency which is an alternative payment created using encryption algorithms. The use of encryption technologies means that cryptocurrencies function both as currency and as a virtual accounting system. But one particular word we have to use here, some methodology they are using. What is the methodology they are using? Cryptocurrency uses
Blockchain technology.
That point you have to tell. In your answer, that blockchain technology should find a place, Soumya.
Sir, what is blockchain technology, sir?
Don't ask me, but
Sir, if I told in interview, sir, it is based upon crypto, means it is based upon that technology, then they will ask what is blockchain technology.
Now here, blockchain technology is an advanced database mechanism that allows transparent information sharing within a business network. A blockchain database stores data in blocks that are linked together in a chain. Again, if you read this, again, you will get confusion.
Yes,
for a non-computer
Yes,
student, but they will be happy. Because I have seen so many interviews. So where they will be happy if you know and use the catchword blockchain
Yes, sir.
technology, and it is not a real approved currency. Example, what something you
Yes,
said,
sir.
Bitcoin, Ethereum,
Sir,
etc.
Bitcoin, yes, sir.
Ethereum,
Yes, sir.
etc. There are so many currencies, it seems. Arey Baba, if I go to the shop here in Canada, there are 2-3 machines. One machine selling one cryptocurrency, another machine selling another cryptocurrency. Beside that, I have another machine which is selling lottery tickets. Just you take a lottery ticket, and put, you have to pay $1, then put it inside, it will tell you, you are not a winner. That means you are not win. Yesterday, I saw two people using it. One person used it and he got a message, you are not the winner. The fellow went out. Another person was using it. For them, for that person, they got, oh, you are the winner. You get $2. She paid $1, she got $2. And again, she bought using the $2. She used that, finished. That's again vanished. So what is this called? Gambling. What is gambling? Soumya, what is gambling?
Initially, you will
Yeah.
win, and at last you will lose, sir.
No, that is not the
No,
definition.
it is
Sir, it is actually like betting, like it involves money.
Correct. It is involving betting. It is involving betting. Like, see, the entire concept of Mahabharata is based on the concept of gambling. Who was gambling? Dharma was gambling, and Dhritarashtra, the other side, who? Duryodhana. And
Yes, sir,
Sakuni,
Duryodhana.
they were playing. That's what is gambling is concerned. Very good. And I think even now in many parts of Madurai and all, you have gambling spots, the useless
So
fellows.
even online rummy is a gambling.
Online
The
rummy
government
has
of
been
Tamil Nadu is
stopped.
opposing.
Government has
No.
stopped it now.
It is like there was a talk again to bring that, sir. It's not.
The-
It has not
yeah,
stopped
yeah.
completely.
No, it has been stopped, but they have, I think they have filed a petition against it. Maybe right
sir.
now it is running, I don't know, but it depends.
But in other states, it is working.
And Jharkhand and all, 100% gambling only. Oh, Baba. Soumya, Jharkhand is
yes, sir.
gambling fellow. Sorry, Baba. And you know, nowadays,
sir.
I won't say Jharkhand is bad or Tamil Nadu is bad. In Tamil Nadu, 2 days back, a village administrative officer was killed in his own office because he was objecting to the removal of sand from the river beds. What a sad thing it is. Do you follow the question, Soumya?
Yes, sir.
It's very sad. Akshay Mogan, could you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Akshay Mogan, you are from which state?
Some Kerala.
Oh, Kerala only. Kerala, it is still more worse. Sorry, Baba. Kerala, but one thing is Kerala, you know, there will always be strikes. Every day is a strike day in
Yeah.
Kerala. Every day is
Yeah.
a strike day, even today. It was so in Tamil Nadu. I don't know how it is in West Bengal nowadays. Jharkhand mein aajkal strike hota hai, Soumya ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Last Saturday there was some strike regarding sir education policies regarding some examinations, sir.
No, but I am talking about strikes being done by employees.
No,
I am reminded
no,
of
sir.
1960s.
Communist government running in
Yeah,
Kerala.
I am telling you, in the year 1969, communist government was there in the center or so, or Congress. I went for interview with Indian Oxygen and I went inside the building. Suddenly they started garrowing and people stopped working. But our interview was going on. After the interview, they refused to allow us to go out of the office. They kept us locked in. And after much persuasions, they permitted us to get out of the office and come out. Unfortunately, I had booked for return ticket on the same day night, 9 o'clock by Howrah Chennai Express. Luckily, I could manage to come out of that place. And that much worse was those days when unionism was at its best and full strike, always strike. Now, no strike. Now, not much of a strike and all that. Of course, now we have, on the other hand, in Chhattisgarh, Naxalism is doing a lot of problems. 11 policemen and 1 civilian have been killed. Did you go through that news? But of course, in interview situations, you don't have to remember about negative news, but still you be aware of this news in your mind. So this is blockchain technology. Soumya ji, samajh gaya aapko?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
yes.
Last question for Soumya ji from
Yes, sir.
Vyas ji.
So tell me about Basel III norms.
Wow, brave Vyas, you have come to put her into lot of difficulties only. Huh? Very fine. Good, good. She will face all other interviews very easily. Soumya, try Basel 3.
Sir, Basel III is a international regulatory accord that was introduced to improve the regulation supervisions within the banking sector, sir.
Basel 3 is a regulatory norms for setting common standards for banks across different countries. The motive of
What is the minimum capital required, like according to the Basel III norms, that bank has to maintain?
Soumya, tell
Sorry, sir, I can't remember.
the answer. If I'm not wrong, it is 9%. And in the case
Yes,
of
sir,
public sector, they want
12%.
some 12%. Soumya, see the screen. Basel 3 is regulatory. These questions and all I have not discussed much. I know because
Sir, these type of questions are most of questions, sir, I guess.
they may ask
Because sir,
very
yes,
rare.
yes.
They, of course, they will ask for commerce students, but let us
Yes.
hope they will not ask, because many of the interviewers, they themselves are not sure about this. They know only deposit canvassing, advance
Even
giving.
they do not know, they're expecting more from us, sir. Even they do not know blockchain technology, even they do not know like AI, but they still expect from us to know.
Yeah. It's similar to what I am doing now. I am having computer before me and asking questions, then verifying from the computer. So this is how it goes. Doesn't matter. Now, Basel 3 is a regulatory norms for setting good questions. We ask norm standards across the different countries. The motive of Basel 3 norms is to enhance the regulation, supervision, risk management in banking industry. Basel 3, what is capital? What is Basel 3? That's what was told here. What is the goal of Basel 3? The goal of Basel 3 is to improve regulation. So same point that has been told already. And right now it is 9%. That also I know. But here again, there are so many confusions. They have tier 1 capital, tier 2 capital, so many things. Honestly, let me tell you, I don't know. If you ask, I will look into it and tell you. This is the link I can give you. Byju's has done a good job in this. Byju's, I will give you that. 1 minute. Basel 3 norms Byju's. I will give you that. Yeah. I'm giving you this link in our Telegram page. Very good. Please see this and prepare yourself. Thank you so much, Mr. Vyas, for asking very good questions. Thank you, Soumya, for asking very good questions. Very good questions. Both of you did an excellent job. And I wish you success. Tomorrow we will meet as it is. Tomorrow is Saturday only. Na? We'll meet at 8 o'clock. We'll meet at 8 o'clock. No problem. And yeah, 5 o'clock I'll be with Vyas. 6:37, 2 interviews. I'll be with you on at 8 o'clock. Thank you so much, Akshay Mogan. You can join us at 8 o'clock if you want. You can join us at 6:37 whenever you want. If I'm online, you can see me asking questions to people. That will help you prepare questions. Prepare for questions on what are the questions that can be asked. See, in IDBI and all, earlier they were asking very simple questions. What is fiat currency? What is currency? What is foreign exchange? Like that simple questions they were asking. I'm talking about a year back and all. Last year and all, they were asking some type of questions. You will see that in the questions that has been given to you. Please prepare on those things. Akshay Mogan, you can succeed,
Yes, sir.
provided you concentrate and study. Best wishes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night.